We know that investing in our workforce and developing people has always been at the heart of good services in Wales. That's why we work with the sector to develop the Team Manager Development Programme. The Team Manager Development Programme is an 18-month course which can help you improve practice quality, manage your team effectively and handle change successfully.
TMDP is a very practical course, and I think one of the key aspects of it is it first and foremost gives people the opportunity to network with their peers. Being a manager can be quite a lonely place at times, and TMDP fosters a real sense of belonging and sort of shared understanding of collective challenges. If you came on the course, you would crucially get the time and space to reflect on your own practice and how you are applying yourself to improve practice quality within your teams.
I found the best bits were the relationships I'd formed with peers from around Wales. Quite often you would meet a similar manager in a similar role facing the same challenges, and what I'd found is they'd come up with solutions that actually I could pinch and I could take that back to my own local authority. So it was very useful listening to other people's ideas.
I think the course taught me to understand the sort of the pressures between managing a team of social workers and support and care workers, etc., versus the pressures and the expectations, if you like, of upper management. I suppose there's targets to be met, there's budgetary considerations from above, but there's also a team of individuals and human beings that need to be supported appropriately and effectively. The course taught me, I think, to deal with that difficulty better.